Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my tutorial. Today I want to show you how to show data on listview in Android Studio from Firebase. Like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start. We need to declare the database reference. Listview array list. Oh, I'm sorry. Array list. We call new array list. Array adapter. String. Array adapter. Okay. And about the layout, we need list view, one list view. Okay, that I set name list view THT and button update and button delete for delete data and update data. I will show you on next video. Okay. Okay. Database reference equal Firebase dot get instance dot get reference path student is student. Okay, and this view equal this view find you by t air dot id dot list tt, the name of this view. Okay, and array adapter equal new array adapter string of is Android not air not layout not simple this one. Okay, and okay, we need to set adapter to listview dot set adapter array adapter. Okay, and data diary friend dot add child event that child event listener new child event listener. Okay. Need to declare string value. Okay, string value equal database snapshot dot get value dot to string, get value of the class of student. Okay, student that I have declare string ID, string email, string name, string password, and some constructor. This is the result that I want to show you. ID plus name plus email. Okay, student dot class, and we need to add student to a release. Just a release dot add value and array adapter dot node define dataset chain. Okay, can run test to show. Okay, and the next video I will show you how to create login from Firebase. Show data. Why they didn't show? Why it didn't show? Okay. Right. We need to review my code again. Data, student, view, data. Okay, sorry. We need to get the data from array list. Okay. This view dot set data array list. Okay, we need to run again. To from Roy, from P, okay, 002, 002, password 123, and login. Okay, show up there. Okay, successful. And next video I will show you how to update and delete. Okay, thank you for your watching my video. I think this video can help you. Goodbye.